but she gotta come try it. They wondering what I've been doing. I told them I'm keeping it quiet. I pull up, you know I be moving. Whipping the foreign, I'm cruising. The money I'm speaking.
Hi guys, Lens here. In this video I just want to show you guys that if you are looking for Fortnite Battle Royale, you can see here it's by Epic Games Inc. It is not available on Google Play Store, and I don't know why, but guys, if you so need to download this app for your enjoyment, I am going to show you another way how you can easily download this. I am going to show you an easy way how to download this app. You will want to navigate to Chrome or whatever browser you have on your device, Firefox, you want to use it. I am going to use a Samsung internet browser. You will want to go to Google, you want to type Fortnite APK there, and there are different options here. You can see right here that where it says Fortnite Battle Royale for Android APK download, that's what we want. So I am going to go here, I am going to download Fortnite, and as you can see here that we can check our device capability, and our device is listed here. There are a lot of other Samsung Galaxy devices that are listed there as well, so we can download Fortnite. We just check the requirements and we can realize that our device can handle this game, and you want to download the latest APK. That's what we are going to do. We are about to download the Fortnite. We are going to save the file. We are going to go back to home. The file is currently downloading. As you can see, the file is right here, and we are going to open the file. Fortnite installer, we need to install, so it is currently installing here. We are going to open the installer that install the Fortnite. We need to update. We are going to allow the installer to update. It is currently updating. So it is finished, and we have Fortnite installer here, and as you can see that we can download Fortnite. So it is currently downloading there. I will list the links in the video description that is needed to download this game. So it is now installing. So that's how you download Fortnite for your Samsung Galaxy devices, from the S8, S8 Plus, S9, S9 Plus, Note 9, Note 8, Samsung Galaxy S10, and also S10 E and S10 Plus. We are going to launch the game now. Agree, start. It is currently downloading the entire game. As you can see that it is over 1 gig and 98 gigabytes. That's 1 gig, almost 2 gig, guys. So it's about 1.89 gigs. So this is how we do it. I am going to leave the links in the video description. This will probably take a couple more minutes to download successfully, and it may take 15 to 20 minutes to complete based on my internet connection speed. So guys, this is how you download Fortnite, and I will leave the necessary links in the video description. And enjoy, and if this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up. Also share this video on social media, and subscribe to my channel, and also sound off in the comment section if you have any query or any help that you may need. Let me know, I'll assist you. So I'm Lens, and I'm out. Subscribe.